Hi there, my name is Reem. This presentation is created as a class project for Cell Physiology in the University of Texas at Arlington during the spring section in the year of 2015. In this presentation, I'll briefly explain why we drink in water, excreted out, and everything in between. Water is a crucial element for survival. A healthy adult must drink approximately 8 cups of water on a daily basis. But what happens if we drink too much water? Are we gonna explode like a water balloon? Well, what about if we didn't drink enough water? Are we going to shrivel up like a raisin? Rest assured everyone, the brain is taking care of the water equilibrium in our body. There is a hormone synthesized in the hypothalamus called ADH, which is short for antidiuretic hormone. ADH travels down to the posterior pituitary from the hypothalamus to be secreted into the systemic blood for distribution throughout the body. Blood carries ADH all the way to the kidney. The kidneys basically filter the blood in our body by excreting toxins, waste, and excess water in the form of urine. This filtration occurs in the nephron, which is the functional unit of the kidney. The nephron is made up of a whole bunch of microscopic tubes containing the glomerulus, Bowman's capsule, proximal tubule, distal tubule, descending limb of loop of Henle, ascending limb of loop of Henle, and finally the collecting duct. On the descending limb of loop of Henle are water channels called aquaporins. These channels allow for water to pass through and get reabsorbed in our body. Only if ADH is present will aquaporin be present in the descending limb of loop of Henle. ADH is normally secreted when people don't drink enough water to help retain as much water as possible for the body. Lack of ADH normally means that there is enough water in our body, indicating that the 8 cups of water per day previously mentioned were actually drunk. So the water in our body does not need to get reabsorbed, and the extra water is just excreted as urine. To summarize, when ADH is present, water gets absorbed, but when ADH is not present, water gets excreted. This whole ADH process kind of reminds me of a traveling visa. Let's say that you're traveling from Sudan, because that's just where I'm from, and you're trying to come back to the US. On the airport, the first thing that the custom officer will ask is, do you have a visa? If you present that visa, then you're allowed to come back in. But if you don't have a visa, then there is no way you're allowed to pass those airport doors. In conclusion, I truly hope this presentation helps summarize the understanding of water in, out, and everything in between.
Created using Powtoon.